Okay, the question is, you borrow $5,000 from a family member and agree to pay it back in 6 years. Because you are part of the family, you are only being charged interest at the rate of 0.5% compounded every 3 months. How much will you owe after 6 years? How much is the interest? All right, so we can start with the $5,000 is the initial amount. You were given 6 years to pay back. So that's our time period. Charge it 0.5% annually, so that's the interest amount. And it's compounded every 3 months. So that's quarterly. So now we can just plug that all into our formula, which is A is equal to P times 1 plus R divided by N times T. So with that being said, I will break that down. A is the total final amount. P is the initial amount. Which I think is also referred to as principal balance. And then the R, it's actually a lowercase r, is the interest rate. The N is the number of times it's applied during any kind of time period. And then finally, T is the number of time periods that go by. So now you plug all of this into that formula. So you'd have the 5,000, the 6 years, the 0.5% yearly with a quarterly compound frame. So you plugged all that in. So let me just put that in my calculator. Also, bear with me, I forgot that I'm cooking burgers. Let me go flip those. So A is grease is $5,152.18. That is the total amount that you have to pay back. So now, if we want to find interest alone, we would take that $5,152.18 and subtract $5,000, giving us $152.18. And that is the interest. I don't know how to spell it, something. You get my point.